guys, so today we're gonna do a garage tour. Some of you guys are new to the channel and requested to take a look inside the garage. So OG homies have seen this place from when I first got it, where basically I think I had half the garage at first, if I'm not mistaken, and then eventually I got the full garage. So I'm pretty pumped. It's been I think 3 years or so, two and some change of having this place, and we've done a lot. We've done S13 manual swaps. We built this whole entire, pretty much the entire S14. Worked on the GS a little bit. Oh, the MR2. We had the right-hand side drive MR2, and a lot of good times in this garage. A lot of great, awesome experiences. A lot of good times with the homies. All right, Zank. Tour Squadron. Recently we just built out some new like a tire rack, which is pretty cool. I don't think I showed you guys. I didn't put it in the video, but this is pretty cool. I built it out a few weeks ago to basically store all my tires.
Show them your nails. My dad said I could paint his nails.
Ooh!
Show him the other one.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
So yeah, a few weeks ago we built out this tire rack thing. It's not the best. I'm not really good at woodwork, but it works for what I need it to. And that's why I kind of put this tarp there so that way it covers it, looks nice. It does exactly what it needs to do. It's been a blessing ever since. I love this garage, and ever since I redid it, I feel like I have a lot more space. I feel like stuff was very congested. Originally everything in that area was all kind of here in this bay, I guess you could call it. Just reorganizing helps out so much. All right, I guess I'll just go through what's on the walls and stuff. So this is one of our first backpacks we've ever designed / created. This is like when I first started to learn how to work with vinyl and stuff. So we got the old SR valve cover. That was from the original motor that I blew up. I have my harness bar. Honestly, don't know if I'm gonna put that back in the car for the S16. I probably will, just because when I think about it, I'm most likely going to have this like halfway still a drift car. Like street, a bull, but drift car. Especially since the Civic is looking high.
Hi guys.
What we got? Talk to him.
Nothing.
The original plan was to eventually finish the floors and kind of put cement, or I guess pave the floors, but we've been looking for a house for like the past couple years, and we're probably slightly close to, you know, we're in the position of ready to buy a house, and we're just kind of waiting for the right house to come about. There's no real point of working on this garage anymore. It serves its purpose. It does what it, does exactly what it needs to. At times it stinks, like working on the rocks, because like doing transmission, like for the S13 when we were doing the manual swap, laying in the dirt was gross and you just get filthy. So there's like perks to, some days I do miss the storage unit days where everything was clean, but then again I had no electricity in the storage unit, and I always had to use power tools and stuff, but we did a lot of work in that storage unit. I miss those days sometimes, but we keep on pushing, we keep on moving forward. That's basically my garage, my humble abode. I love everything about it, but I do want to talk to you. I got a new tool for design this week, and I picked up an iPad, and it's so amazing. And I'm starting to create on Procreate, and it's so cool. It's so much different than working on my Wacom and doing Photoshop. Like, I love both, but there's something special when it comes to this iPad. Like, designing on it has been, such a freaking fun experience. I banged out like a few different designs. I've been trying to like find a new creative style of just like on how I draw, and I started to build out a new idea. I'm not sure if, I'm still working. When you have an idea, you gotta like come up with character design, and so I started to put together a new plan for kind of like a younger, I don't know, a brand for a younger demographic, more so leaning on toys and figurines. So it's gonna be called Because Littles. I still have to design all the characters, but I think it's gonna be think it's gonna be real. I'm still working through all the process, or the whole process of designing all the characters. So I'm super pumped about that, and I want to show you guys a little bit about it in a little bit. So so yeah, and then tonight we're hopping on live again, which I'm super pumped. I absolutely love doing live streams. They're so much fun. Like, they're literally so much fun. So yeah, let's hop inside and let's go look at the iPad. It's pretty dope. I'm super pumped about it. So holla. Booyah! So I was able to snag this new iPad. I'm so excited about securing this gal. The only thing that I'm struggling with is I need to get a case and a screen protector because the fingerprints are driving me crazy. But for the most part, I'm in love with this thing. So it's redonkulous. I was able to, let's start with the first. So when I first got this, I'm using Procreate, and my goodness, I love this program. I'm using the Apple Pencil 2, and when you're sketching, it literally feels like you're sketching on a piece of paper. But like when you're drawing, it's so crazy. And I'm sure some of you guys have used this before, but like when you do a circle and you hold it, it makes a perfect circle. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's thoroughly amazing. And the response, I have a Wacom, and I almost like this iPad Pro better. I want to flip through a couple new sketches I've done over the past day, because I think I got it 2 days ago. So like here's an Iron Man I was sketching out, and like to do this was just freaking cool. Like, and it was cool because there's so many cool things about this. Like, I could ramble on forever, but you can, hold on a second, go in here and then it automatically saves like a time lapse on your drawing. And like, that's so cool. So like, I never have to worry about showing my work in the process because it's already capturing that. And that's a huge deal to me. Like, not just that, but there's so many more. Like, everything about this is just thoroughly amazing, and I absolutely love this thing. With that, I've been kind of working out some new ideas around Because Littles, and honestly, I've been kind of playing with the idea of characters in pretty much like this style. I'll just give you an example. Like, this is my buddy Scotty G, and I drew his car and I might just put it up on the screen, but I drew his car and like a caricature of him, and it's just so much fun. Today I was working on this little mummy man, like this mummy man he has a hydro, and he's just riding a flying carpet, which is hilarious. I love when you can create and just have fun and not have to worry about process, and that's what this does. Like, it takes all of the headache of worrying about too many controls. It's just, everything about it is just thoroughly amazing. Freaking dope, man. I love it. Dude, like, it's always here. I don't have to worry about ever recording me drawing. Like, it's always here. With that, guys, I just want to thank you guys for kind of, again, supporting us and just pretty much following this journey. It's getting a little bit more difficult to come up with video ideas, which is, I'm really thankful I've been live streaming because it works out perfect. But I've been kind of struggling, especially more so this week. I'm struggling with ideas and trying to figure out what I want to film, because all I've been doing is just working on this art and just working a lot. Like, I have a lot of side projects that I'm working on, and like commission / client work. So, but yeah, I'm pretty pumped because I like this new style. It's like super simple, but it's like fun. It's a fun, like, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a fun branch, like just fun. Hey guys, I love you. I don't know. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for everything. I'll see you guys on live tonight, even though you've already seen this. You saw the live was probably yesterday because I'll edit tomorrow. But with all that said, have a freaking wonderful day. I hope you guys are all safe and staying healthy, mentally, physically, everything in between. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Holla at your boys now.